Hello mga kaguro, kamusta na po? Good news po, dahil ang Service Recognition Incentive o SRI nating mga guro ay nakahanda na po para ito ay simulang maibigay na sa atin sa susunod na linggo. Dahil kasalukuyan na po itong pinoproseso mula DepEd Central Office patungo sa mga iba't ibang regional offices para ito ay simulan ng ipamahagi sa mga bawat kaguruan. So expected na po na ito ay maibigay na sa atin sa susunod na linggo. At may mga usap-usapan na rin na ito raw ay nagkakalaga sa 18,000 pesos. Salamat naman po kung magkaganon. Hali kayo at ating pakikinggan ang sinabi ng isang regional director patungkol sa matatanggap nating SRI dahil ayon na rin sa kanya na pinapabilisan na po ang pagpapaproseso nito para ito ay mabigay na kaagad sa atin.
Another thing that we are in a rush is on the pooling of our savings and resources to beat the deadline. That almost every hour I called your finance officers and possibly your finance officers called you as well so that you also can submit your APSA so that we can have a consolidated APSA for our SRI 2023. Praise God. Just this morning, we're able to send the APSA consolidated. And this afternoon, we will also be receiving the sub-arrow from the central office signed by Yusik Mike. Praise God and thanks God that the Vice President and our Secretary of the Department of Education is really pushing hard that we can beat, that by tomorrow, all those sub-arrows will be released so that possibly by Monday, all the division offices already can, or tomorrow you can already request for the, you can request already the NCA so that by next week, by Monday or Tuesday, you can already release in cash the SRI. Well, of course, by tomorrow, you will already be receiving, our teachers who are here, the PEIs. So, all superintendents, PEIs, ready na ba? Ready na tanan? Can I have your thumbs up? Thank you so much. I'm so happy seeing all your thumbs up. Congratulations. So, SRI is real. So, it's something to be happy about again. Aside from the SRI, aside from the PEI, SRI is coming. So, it is bigger than what we received last year. So, expect that. No?
Ayan mga kaguro, magandang balita po ito dahil ayon kay Regional Director Jimenez na starting next week ay magsisimulan na raw ang pagbibigay ng Service Recognition Incentive nating mga kaguruan.